All right, so I got Shane here. He had an awesome week in the market, so I wanted to get him on camera and have him tell everybody all about it. So how's it going, man?
Going pretty good, man. Yeah, just
So
a couple days into it, pretty stoked.
awesome. So I mean, start it off with what your name is. I already said it, but say it again. Your name, how old you are, and how long you've been trading with us.
Right. Yeah, my name's Shane. I bought the training exactly a week ago, and only been live trading for a couple days, but I watched the videos like 15 times just to make sure I had it perfect, and they're all clear. I'm a slow learner, so yeah, kind of helped me out a lot. But yeah, 2 days live trading with you guys, so it's going good so far.
Awesome. So, I mean, we have a lot of people messaging us right now. So the way that I want to really have this structured or this testimonial is, what do you think about people saying that this is a scam? Because a lot of people are like blowing up my messages, blowing up my notifications, saying like, "Oh, we shouldn't have to charge" and all this stuff. So, what's your thoughts on it now that you've been with us for a bit?
Honestly, man, yeah, I mean, people are gonna say what they want, but I mean, I made my money back in literally more than my money back in 2 days. So I don't know. People are afraid to leap, then they're never going to see results. So
Right. Okay. Cool. So I just wanted to throw that question in there before I get into the ones I actually wrote down because okay, so I mean tell everybody, like how much you started with and how much you were able to gain.
right, I intended on starting with 1,000, but I'm going to Mexico next week, so didn't want to cut myself short. So
Yeah.
I just started with 500, and since then I think I made a little bit over 1,000 just in the last couple of days of live trading. So that kind of paid for my Mexico trip already. So I'm stoked about that.
Awesome, man. So, I mean, how did you said that you're a slow learner, so would you feel that the difficulty of the training is fit for anyone, or do you feel it could be a little bit more simple?
No, it was super clear. It's just like, especially me being so brand new, like I didn't even know what a pip was. I didn't know what Forex was. Literally never heard of Forex 8 days ago. And then
Uh-huh.
7 days ago, I heard got started with the training. So for me personally, I just have to do some repetition with all that information. It just kind of personally helped me. But I mean, honestly, there's a lot of dudes in here and girls like 18, 19 years old, and they're picking it up fine and making money. So if I can learn it, anybody can learn
Right,
it.
right. Okay.
Right.
Cool. And um, I know that you're a beginner, um, but if you had to rate like the difficulty of scale of 1 to 10, for other people to like, what would you rate it?
Difficulty. There's really nothing difficult about it. Like once you get it, like once you do the training, you do some live, like a little bit of the demo account, and like it's kind of cool. All the people that are like chipping in on the live chat and stuff, they help out a bunch. So it's really not difficult. It
Mhm.
just like takes a second to get into the mindset
In
and
the rhythm.
just kind of figure out the program. And once you get it, it's like easy. It's simple. It really is.
Okay. And now that you've been through it, you paid full price, all that stuff. You've made some money. You've made your money back. Like, give an honest opinion, and you don't have to even try to impress me. Like, give an honest opinion. If you were selling this course, how much
Right.
would you price it for?
You know, um, what I would price it for is I'd probably seriously price it at about 1,000.
Okay.
What it's worth, just from what I've seen in this last week, I can't even put a dollar amount on what it's worth. Like my plans for the future already, just since like what I've already seen in the last 2 days of live trading, like I'm already like I got a plan for quitting my job, and like I know that's probably a little bad to jump in so quick, but
Nah.
I mean, knock on wood, I haven't lost a trade yet. So I mean,
Right.
I literally haven't lost any money. So yeah, I think you priced it well because like, it's a good little price point where you know it's worth it, but you can still afford it. I mean, if you really want success that bad, you'll make it happen.
Right.
I think you kind of nailed it though. But what you're at, like what you're pricing it at, and what it's worth is you can't put a number on that.
Okay. Cool. And honestly, man, don't set the bar too too high because, or I'm sorry, not too high, set the bar too low because I was able to quit my job in like 6 months of trading, dude. So you never know.
Yeah.
You have the advantage now. Like you could be in 3 months from now, you could be putting in your notice. So I mean, sky's the
Right.
limit from here on out.
Right. No, I hear you.
Okay, well, cool,
Yeah, and
man.
then especially seeing some of those veteran guys in the live chats and just
Oh,
like seeing their progress, and they're all super cool about like chipping in, kind of if you're new. Like as soon as I started, like 3 people all reached out to me and like private messaged me, and that was pretty cool. Like I got it bouncing off them how long they've been doing it, and already seeing their progress is just like it's exciting. It really is.
well, awesome, man. I'm super proud of you, man. I'm glad that you're killing it. I'm glad that you're seeing gains.
Yeah.
Make money while you're in Mexico because that's what it's all about.
Right.
Travel and
Have my
trade.
feet kicked up. Yeah, coconut margaritas can be sweet.
Yeah. Well, cool, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this then because I mean you did great.
Awesome. Perfect. I appreciate it, Nemo.
All right, I'll talk to you soon, brother.
All right, you're the man. Thanks.